Hi guys, good morning. So today's weekend, let's bake guys. I bake some banana cake. So I'll try this is to make this is the first time to make my banana cake here. So because before I cannot bake because alam niyo na yung oven namin hindi nagpa-function. So, the first time, I baked the last time red velvet. So, plain lang siya, guys. Wala siyang icing. Kasi ayaw ni husband ng sobrang tamis. And then, now, I'll try to bake some banana cake. So, I have my ingredients here. 2 bananas, just. And, maglagay tayo ng eggs. Ayan. Eggs ito, guys. And then, meron tayong flour. Meron tayong harina. Ayan, plain flour, guys, all purpose. And then, oil. Meron tayong oil instead of butter. So, I use the cooking oil. And fresh milk. And I try to put this one so it looks like guys, no sugar, it says. I don't want really sweets, guys. So, and then I put a bit sugar. So, ako nang mag-a-adjust, guys. So, well, for now, I'm just prepared 2 bananas here. I have 2 bananas. Hindi siya gaano as in na lutong-luto ano. So, tama lang siya, guys. Dalawa lang yung ilalagay natin so far. Okay. My tripod is too high. And then after I show you ano yung kalabasa nito, guys. So ayan, guys, 2 bananas lang, guys. I just cut. So smash na natin. Smash. Mayroon akong ganyan, guys. So smash na natin. Gamit tayo ng fork. So, ang gagawin natin is banana cake. So, while I smash the bananas, I use this, guys. Patry natin pakain si husband ng banana cake. So, na-smash na natin, guys. Maglagay tayo ng 2 eggs. Okay. Ayan na, guys, naglagay na tayo ng 2 eggs. So, smash na natin again. So, I don't have some brown sugar, guys. So, I use the granulated sugar. This one. So, just I put only 3 spoon, guys. So, I don't want the really sweet bananas. Ayan. Just only I put 2 half granulated sugar. Like, I use this teaspoon. So, it's not really sweet. So, I have already. And I mash it again, guys. So, as you can see, guys, nakikita nyo. So, maglagay na tayo ng cooking oil and flour. So, before maglagay ng cooking oil, guys, maglagay muna tayo nito ng konti. So, I try just, guys. So, for my own version lang, guys. I try. Wala to siya, no sugar. Low fat siya, guys, and no sugars. Ayan. I just already a bit put. And then, maglagay tayo ng fresh milk. And then, maglagay na tayo ng flour. So, maglagay tayo pala ng cooking oil, guys, before my flour, guys. So, a little bit lang, guys. And smash it. And then, we put some flour. Maglagay tayo ng flour. Just 1 cup of flour lang, guys, ilagay natin. Ayan, 1 cup. And then, stir na natin. As you can see, guys, ginaganyan ko muna sa dyan. Nakalat yung ating kitchen. One cup lang tong flour natin, guys. So, as you can see, I'm not putting some essence or vanilla, guys. So, ayan. Ganun lang. Alright. So, mix it well. Ganyan na siya, guys. Hindi ako nag-use ng aking mixer, guys. So, ganyan na siya, guys. Oh, charan! So, I'm done na, guys. Ayan na. So, maglalagay tayo dito ng konting oil and flour, guys, para hindi siya didikit. Kasi wala akong, wala akong shape ng pan na para sa cupcake. So, I'll try do it now. So, as you can see, guys, ganyan na natin. Para hindi siya didikit, kaya ito yung purpose niya, guys. Para hindi siya didikit. Yan. Pagkatapos nito is, tatapon din natin. So, ilagay na natin. Tapos na, guys. Ilagay na natin yung cake natin dito. Ayan. So, I open the oven.
That's why you're confused. Sure.
180. So, I put now 180 degree, guys. So, I show you after. So, as you can see, guys, nilagay ko na siya sa 180 degrees Celsius, guys. So, mag-wait na lang tayo ng, guys, ng matapos siya. So, tingnan nyo, guys, it's raining. It's raining, guys. So, tingnan nyo yung aking beautiful flower. Yung aking beautiful. So, yung aking beautiful flower, guys. Oh, mabango yan siya, guys. So, i-open natin yung ayan. Good morning. Oh, ang ganda niya, guys. Sobra. Nilipat ko na pala siya dyan, guys. So, ayan. Kasi if I stay outside, there's a lot of snails. The snails eating the leaves and the flowers. So, I seen the bubbles. Maybe there is still a snail inside. So, I try to check. May naga-bubbles, guys, sa loob. May snail talaga ito. I check ko nga. Try natin. Tingnan. Ayan, nagbabubble siya, oh. Tapos, Ayan din, nagbababol siya. So, mayroon nga talaga, as in, mayroon. Yuck. Ayan siya guys, oh, may snail as you can see. Nakikita nyo ba yan, oh? Ayan, oh, yan. Ew. Sabi ko na mayroon nga, nagbabubbles kasi mayroon talaga. Yuck. So, katanggalin natin, guys. So, ayan siya, guys. Kita nyo yan. Yan yung kumakain ng flowers, guys. Oh. Malaki yan siya, guys, as in. Tapos, lumiit lang siya kasi natanggal ko. Kita mo yan? Yuck. Ew. I hate that. Basta yung bulaklak nagbabubbles, 100% merong snail. So, meron talaga, oh. Tingnan mo guys, lumalabas na yung kanyang ulo. Ayan, oh. Lumalabas na. Yo! So, he killed my flowers. So, tanggalin natin ulit guys. Tingnan natin kung merong ulit. So, ayan guys, may nakita akong 3 snail. Ayun, oh. 1, 2, 3. 3 snails, guys. So, next time, I will not put out. So, lagyan ko siya ng water. So, didiligan ko yung aking bulaklak. Sorry, na-disturb ko kayo. Tingnan mo guys, gumagapang yung snail. Meron to siyang butas din sa baba. So, hindi ko siya muna dadabihan ng tubig. Ayan, pakunti-kunti lang. So, try na natin kunin guys. Ito na yung ating banana cake. So, ayan siya guys, circle. So, why may color brown siya guys? Because nilagyan ko siya ng konting chocolate. This is my own version, banana cake with chocolate. So, i-transfer na natin sa lagayan guys. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung tsura. Mainit! It's warm! Yo! Ang ganda niya. Tingnan yung banana cake natin. Jack! So, iti-taste na natin, guys. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ang sarap niya. Ang ifting. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next vlog. Bye!